Slow down the kill him, fill him, fill.
Kill him,
Kill him,
fill him,
fill him.
Jinina.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 33 Questions with Jamaica Observer, and today another special guest with us. We're going to ask him to introduce himself and tell us where we can find him on social media.
Yo, Wagwan, I don't know, so this is Kacique, Mr. Kilima Filima Jinina Pinana himself. You can find me on social media, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, everything at one Kacique, that is ONEKACIQUE.
Before we start, slow down the kill him, fill him, fill.
Kilima,
Kill him,
Filima,
fill him.
Jinina,
Jinima,
Jinina,
Jinina,
Pinina.
Pinina. Next one.
Yeah.
Kill him.
Yeah, now I get it. It took me a while to catch it and me make it.
Oh, me have it one time, but no, going. But yeah, alright. So we're going to head right into the questions. The first question is, what is the best piece of advice you've ever gotten?
Best piece of advice I've ever gotten. Shaja. I probably have a conversation with myself. You know?
Oh, so you give yourself
Yeah, the best piece of advice. Yeah, literally, yeah, the best piece of advice of just, no matter what is the situation, just make sure you maintain and you hold your dignity. Not make you lose that.
dignity first.
Yeah, man.
What's one thing you know now that you wish you knew at the starting of your career?
One thing that I wish I knew now at the starting of my career, that Jesus, peace,
Something you learn
people. Damn.
about people.
It took me a while to learn about people in the industry, brother. Like, don't take them too serious. A morning and day them and them switch quick. So
Where's the morning and day?
a morning and night them.
Oh, explain.
And for them they run fast.
Oh, okay.
Like this minute a morning as a blink a night, them switch quick. So don't really take them too serious. Don't come in the business, come make a friend. Try to make some business partners. The friend thing I go mash up.
Alright, so 2 questions. How did you get your name and how did you come up with the kill?
Well,
That-
alright, the first part, alright, Kacique now. I got that from history class. Well, I think it was about back in like second or first form. I learned about the Tainos and the chief name was Kacique.
Yeah.
There was a Taino chief, and then the time they made upon a relentless pursuit to find a name, and I couldn't find none. And then teacher introduced that to me, and from that day till now, Kacique my name. The Kilima Filima thing now. Probably the first time I actually talk or come up with it. Like when I'm writing lyrics, when I'm making a song, I do this weird thing that I just mumble gibberish. Mumble some just gibberish, like some foolishness. And then if it sounds good enough, I try to fit words to it. Turn it into words. But I just couldn't find no words that kind of fit that flow there. I go kill my feeling imagining up in the I couldn't find no words that kind of fit that. So I just turn it into a slang. You see me? And probably one of the best things me ever do.
Yeah, because it's
Because when somebody see me, oh, you just say, kill my feeling imagining.
Yeah, I mean, I think nobody said it's so good. Alright, what inspires your music?
Like everything.
Life.
Like every little situation. The only reason why I'm not write a song in my mind right now is probably because I write and I wake up. So, if I wake up and I write a song, everything. I could be just walking and just see something and it just spark. I like go off in my brain and song start right.
Alright, take us back to the first song that you wrote. Like, I mean, when you're absent, now.
Oh, that first song I way back. I'm not going to sing it though.
Yeah,
Because it's utter trash.
Yeah, give you a piece, man. I tried to get everybody forward. I forgive a piece of them for
That's a lie. Because I watched Diane interview and Diane come and said, nope, I'm not singing it. No, I never Diane. I think I asked her.
Everybody after him, do it.
Boy. I'm not sing that song there, straight to you.
What was it about?
It was girl, brother. Girl and whining like them time them enough and presumptuous. I look a boy still, but it was a hide and listen cartel and Beanie and them and so I usually emulate them, yeah.
Alright, what's something you wish to accomplish before 30?
Something I wish to accomplish before 30. Well, musically?
Or in general, up to you.
Yeah, I know, but like musically probably I want to achieve some sort of mainstream success, especially in the Caribbean and Jamaica. That look, and the Jamaican diaspora, dancehall diaspora, some form of mainstream, consistent mainstream success. You see me? In a life probably. So
I want you. Sorry. Huh?
I actually tick out like box already, you know, I have one youth already, so probably some financial stability I can, you know, sustain she. Look at that, big up yourself. Although you can't really understand what I'm doing, but look more at the future.
Give us a run through of your day, like a typical day for Kacique.
Wake up, have a shot of rum, you know, wake up, write something, record, like I record a lot because I have my own to set up now, so I record and write a lot. After that, link Kacique kitchen because I don't know I'm my chef. And probably later on in the night, you know, probably, you know, touch the road to get some inspiration. Because when a party now, we just go get inspiration. You see me?
Alright, do you believe in rituals, and if so, what are some rituals that you follow, like to a T, like religiously?
I don't think there's a ritual that I really follow to a T, but that's a real question to say if I believe in rituals. I don't really understand, like.
Like, do you believe in any rituals, actually? Like, anything that you say?
I don't think me follow no rituals. You see me? But there are certain things me just do. Like, say, if me I go up on stage now, there are certain things that me just do.
What are some of the things?
Like, like, just get a bottle of water, drink a bottle of water, like, take a time with silence, no organize, and just relax for like half an hour before me, you know, actually go up on stage. I get a little one, maybe half a spliff. I would like do something that's sober. I was shy bad, you know.
Oh, you? Shy?
Yeah, bad.
Oh, okay.
But we move.
Alright, how powerful or important do you think music is?
For me, brother, the music have saved my life so many times, like.
What about a situation that you're in where a music really pull you through?
Like almost every situation, cause me as a youth, I think about things a lot, you see me? And sometimes that kind of heavy, you see me? And the music always at the escape. But when I'm happy, music did there. When I'm sad, music did there. Like when I'm making love, music is there. So I just music all around, you see me?
What's your favorite genre of music?
It's very close between dancehall and hip hop, you know, but the dancehall, the edge. That's my favorite genre.
When you were growing up, who are some artists that you looked up to?
But you know, say, being Man was the first artist I really take a liking to in a dancehall. And then I start go back and start listen back some other artists from the 90s, and people like Baby Wayne jump out, people like Frisco Kid jump out, people like Spragga Benz jump out. You see me? Buju Banton same way, Terror Fabulous, them type of artists that really jump out. And I listen to almost anybody who have a name in the industry. I always want to find out what the reason people are listening to artists, or what the reason is, isn't it?
So give everybody a chance, basically.
Yeah, everybody get a ears, man.
Everybody get a ears. If you could go back in time and perform with one artist, who would it be?
A whole heap of time traveling and going back in time. Alright, watch out. Who would I perform with? Like, you see, to me, I want to love freestyle. And Baby Wayne just bad, but I want to just, not probably perform, but in our space with him. And we just go at it. He must spit a 16 bar, then me jump in, then him, then me. But I want a little experience because I rate Baby Wayne. And so rest in peace.
Alright, as you just said, you love freestyle. We wonder if you can. So we're not asking if you sing the first song, because you said it's utter trash. But we ask you for freestyle. Me leave like again a word.
Oh boy, my writer is
now.
not awake. Damn, bro.
You're in the room. I don't know if you want to drive from the window, the breeze. I don't know what you want to sing about, but I could say how bad it be. Because I've seen it, but not the world see it.
Okay, it's a free. You want me freestyle something fresh, or I'm just.
But that's a freshish.
Freshish.
A little mix.
Alright. Nigga putting me on the spot, man. But let's go. Alright. Kacique in the building. Fire 105. 33 question, we there and we a vibe. Shamara talk, me a make a bag of noise. None of we not dead. The whole of we alive. Camera 1, camera 2. Me a talk some things. I don't know if it's a true. Don't know the thing go. Kacique in the building. Get up for the match in the ceiling now. We're winning. Nation.
Alright. More that test about me true. I don't want to show you up in front of the world, so
Don't do that.
we just make you win, not just make you go through right.
Yeah. Something sort of.
Yeah. Alright, when was the last time I did something new and what was it?
Something new. I'll probably drive, you know.
When you start driving?
Oh, yeah. I was met in a situation like I had to drive because I'm terrified of the wheel, bro. So I'm not to drive, but I was in a little situation that I had to, you know, take the wheel like Jesus and tip in I guess, and you know, that was a fun experience. I'll probably do it again.
What is the first thing you do when you get an idea for a song?
Probably open notes and write it down, or voice memo and record it because I forget things very easily. You see me? So I have to actually either write it down or record it so I don't forget it.
How do you handle pressure? Like with music or just life in
It
general?
depends, you know, music pressure, you know, we just soldier it, you know. Just go through it, you know. We don't really make it bother we, you know. One thing, you know, once we can't control it, we don't really put it on our head. We just govern things that we can't control. You see me? Things we ain't have to hand, we just govern it. But yeah, once a music, we're willing to soldier it out. If I don't know we're actually necessary, we just lock we and walk past it. But things are important too. We kind of, you know, make the extra effort. We kind of pull through, you see me?
What is the most memorable moment of your career so far?
Most memorable moment of my career so far? Probably when I went on a mini tour to the Bahamas with Beanie Man. We did like 2 shows. That's probably one of the most memorable moments. I actually enjoyed myself. Take plane and go sing song. I've never done that before.
Vibe.
Yeah, I enjoy that. Big up yourself, Beanie Man. Respect for that.
What is your favorite song that you've written?
A song called Thai. That's probably one of my best pen moments. You see me? Thai. Well, official like a close second too, you know?
That's official win for me still.
Yeah. A close second, but official about tune. We'll just leave it there.
Alright, so what is the newest song that you've released?
I released a song named Brunch, you know, and that's actually doing very well in outside of Jamaica because it's on Apple Music and it's on a couple big playlists and it actually do well, so I'm going to check out Brunch.
But in order for them to check it out, they might go on its sound before they reach over there, so then you have to go give them peace and yeah, you know, so it go.
Oh, Brunch guy again, bro. Oh, brunch. I mean, say, hey, swag check, yeah, me ready. A curfew, so me have to early. Girl a bounce me and tell me say she thirsty. But you a drink 62, 1 Pepsi. Food there so me have to get a plate. High grade there for a better brain. Girl a wine and feel it a elevate. So she whisper, say she ready for me penny. Straight to the bar where me make a chat. Cause it done just done about couple dozen grand top chef. There we have the regular plan 62 and the rare. You can never rank son hot a blaze, beat like a slave. You're supposed to afraid if you never beard. Kacique play that a tear out me yes undress where she wear that a get him up for the match, killing up, nice shit.
Alright,
Yeah.
so we're now going to the hot seat questions.
Oh, them questions.
Yeah, so
Okay.
you have just answer as quickly as possible.
Mm-hmm.
What's your biggest weakness?
Biggest weakness. That's probably my temperament. Yeah.
Best compliment you've received?
My voice.
What song can you listen to on repeat shamelessly, just over and over?
What song would that be now? Jesus. Shamelessly, on repeat, non-stop. What I have to say? Song that. I really have no song I kind of listen over and over like that. Yeah. No, I don't think I have that song.
One thing people don't know about you.
I probably know it now, that I'm a father.
Oh.
Get him on.
Biggest pet peeve?
Indecisiveness, man. Well, people can't make up their mind, brother.
Biggest regret?
Biggest regret, not taking music seriously earlier.
Guilty pleasure?
Guilty pleasure, what would that be?
So something what you do when you're not really supposed to do, but you like it.
What?
We can skip that. Let's skip that one.
I probably dairy products. So I'm not supposed to consume because
You're lactose intolerant.
I'm not lactose intolerant. But like, yeah, I forgot.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Get the shits.
Yeah.
If you could switch lives with one person for a day, who would it be?
Switch life with one person for a day. Like, who would that be now? Nas. Yeah, probably Nas.
Oh.
Rapper. Little Nas X. Man. Never that.
I was like,
Nas, yeah. I want to know how it feels to have the greatest rap album ever made. So I'm going to switch place with Nas for a day. Just, you know?
one talent you wish you had.
Singing. Jesus Christ, I wish I could sing.
Best thing that happened to you
And
this
dance.
year.
Best thing that happened to me this year. What really happened to me this year? The best thing. This year was yuck. What was the best thing that happened to me this year, bro? Oh, she born in November. Yeah, I saw my daughter this year for the first time, yeah.
Something you're tired of.
Something I'm tired of. Being described as an upcoming artist, I need to hurry up and get through that.
Yeah, you need to be above the upcoming. You need to
I've
come.
been upcoming for a long time. Yeah, you need to come here now. No jokes.
Sorry, a trend you would want to see end.
A trend I would like to see end. Cancer culture.
3 things you can't live without.
Weed. My daughter. And alcohol.
Okay. Describe yourself with a hashtag.
Hashtag kid them for them imagining up in a nation.
Romance or no?
Depends.
On?
The person.
And that brings us to the end of
Oh boy.
33 Questions with Jamaica Observer featuring one Kacique. You guys can head over to his social media platforms.
Social media. You can go on Apple Music and just type in Kacique. Go on Spotify and all that thing. Just type in Kacique and every music I go pop up. Big up on yourself if you don't know anything.
Alright guys, until next time, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to all our social media platforms at Jamaica Observer. Until next time, thanks for watching.
Out.